Yes, Massive and Crew back once again with another video, and today we're going to talk about the new DDJ1000, which has literally just landed. Quite heavy. Oh yes, beautiful. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Woo. Yeah, boy. Oh, that feels good, man. It's got that kind of quality. So guys, this is the package that it comes with. You get a power lead, you get a
you can win a £500 voucher.
Oh, it says here, please share your experience with us to be entered into a £500 draw. Yeah. Like I'm gonna win that. I'll enter into it though. You never know, might get some money for the channel. Power adapter. European leads. I guess it's good if you decide to gig and take this with your flight case. But that is huge. USB cable. And DDJ1000 manual. That's it. Time to set it up. So we have it. The only thing it's missing is a USB port, but you know, it connects to the laptop, so you don't really need it. Everything on here, guys, feels good quality. Cue buttons. I'm not knowledgeable of the CDJ, but I do know this looks like one of them Pioneer mixers. I bought this because I wanted to get a feel of the CDJs for the club, and also a feel for these Pioneer mixers, so that I can start DJing with CDs as well as vinyl, as well as Serato. This thing, I'm telling you guys, it feels good quality all round. Seriously, every button, there's nothing cheap feeling about this thing at all, man. It's just the dog's bollocks. So I'm going to string this up, give it a little test out, do a couple of mixes on it. Just got this fresh from DDJ1000.co.uk. They were one of the only people that actually had one in stock at the time. Trust me, this thing here is a beast, man. I've been playing around on it. I spent the last couple of nights sort of messing around on it, and it is absolutely wicked piece of kit. It's built solid. It's got your cue buttons. It's got full-size jog wheels, which is absolutely awesome. You've got your loops up here, which I've messed about with. You've got a deck button, which will give you, this side gives you deck number 2 and 4, and this side gives you deck number 3 and 1. It's also got a Pioneer mixer. It's got tons of effects. You've got let's switch it on so you can just have a little look at it. It's got, you know, tons of lovely, beautiful lights. You've got your pitch control. This is typical to the DDJ. Also here it runs alongside Rekordbox, as you can see here, and Rekordbox works really well. I'm actually really loving the Rekordbox thing here now, and I'm going to upload some mixes and stuff on this, so you can see sort of some live Junglist style mixes and whatnot have you on this. This thing actually holds a good BPM, and also you can adjust the BPMs on the actual analysed tracks quite easily. I actually thought that it would be a bit weird using sort of dynamic style beats with this kind of thing rather than the 4/4 house thing, but no, it's worked out really well. You know, as I said, it's a real quality build. All the buttons feel decent. There's nothing cheap that, you know, feels, there's nothing cheap feeling on this. Over here you've got your track select so when you've basically got your record box on, this scrolls through the list. There's countless features on this thing. There's one thing I will say, this little button here, at first it didn't work. I had to download the firmware, which took about 5 minutes to install. The firmware basically just does this little kind of thing where this one light goes on and it tells you the progress of the firmware update on the screen. Once that's all done, everything sort of is all up to date. It's pretty easy to do. I can see myself getting like a flight case for this and possibly even doing a bit of gig work with it. Anyone out there got any Pioneer gear, anyone thinking about upgrading, comment down below, let me know what your experiences were, what DJ tech that you use and what DJ tech that you intend on getting in the future. If you have any questions regarding this product, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it as quickly as possible. Look out for my next video where you can see this live in the mix. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications so you know when I upload a video. Take care, God bless, peace.